Greg, Lynn Price.
It's been a long day for Lynn Price.
Wind's died down a little bit here. Still dang cold.
A multi-generational farmer in the northeastern Colorado town of Sedgwick, not far from the Nebraska state line.
It's a little rough. Snow's blowed everything. Got everything out of the way in the yard, but it's definitely cold as heck.
It's the wind chill that is sticking out like a sore thumb for this small community of about 200 the most. Taking this video on his Sunrise Ranch, about 10 miles south of town, trying to get his bison, about 65 head, to point toward some hay. Conditions like these, at times, no easy task. Tonight,
wind's gusting pretty good here in Sedgwick to the northwest. Flags are really flapping.
The winds have not died down much.
And the wind chill's about 32 below right now.
Christmas and some calmer weather can't come around too soon.
It's not getting much better. It's going to get dang cold tonight, just like you guys have been forecasting.